Chirag, are you there? I think if you are speaking, then you are on mute. I think some network issue. Oh, I forget to open the mic, turn on the mic. Yes, Chirag, go ahead. Now I think you can rejoin and turn on the mic. Only Chirag, so I request you can ask your questions after the webinar. Chirag, you can rejoin and do it.
Yes, sir.
Oh, oh, it's audible. Yeah, please go ahead.
Good evening, everyone, and welcome to today's session on how to build your AI clone. I am excited to introduce you to HiDevs, a team and a forefront of AI innovation. HiDevs is building GenAI, world's largest GenAI workforce, and we have a product, app.hidevs.xyz, where uh, users upskill themselves in generative AI. And in today's webinar, Deepak sir will tell you guys how to build your own AI clone. If you are a beginner or an intermediate, this webinar is for all of like every type of users. And yeah, Deepak sir will guide you through every step how to build your own AI clone.
Okay, thank you, Chirag. Yeah, so let me share my screen and we'll start. And okay, brief intro about me. So, I have 10 years of the experience in data science, machine learning. I am doing data science work since 2014, and we started our company last year. And I was in like our company is based out of USA, so like I came back from US from like last week only. So there are a lot of the events and the webinars that we keep on doing, and a lot of the collaborations that we are doing with a lot of the communities across the globe. And yeah, so let's start of it. Do let me know once the screen is visible. Okay, screen is visible. You guys can react, use the emojis, something like this. Oh, that's great, thank you. uh, Please don't raise your hand in between the webinar, and don't ask the question in between. Okay, we will give the I will give the time in between the webinar, whatever the question that you want to be asked, so that will be the helpful for everyone here. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so let's start with this image, so that will give you the good understanding about this. Okay, so before starting it, how many people are already know about data science, machine learning, and doing some stuff around the data science? Please raise your hand. Okay, that's great. Raise your hand means thumbs up. Okay, my bad. My bad. Okay, I keep on doing on the colleges, so that's why. So we are doing the so many college workshops, so that's why. Okay, that's great. And how many people are using? Your voice is not audible. Okay, let me speak louder. Okay, so how many people are building some projects or the tools on the like GenAI, LLM model, anything related to the AI agentic rag? Okay, no one is building. Okay, okay, Sakshi is building. Krish, Sudha, Bhumika, Sudha. Okay. Okay. Piyush, Sisti. Okay, that's great. Okay. And how many are content create? Okay, that's great. Okay. Okay, that's great. And how many people are uh, just trying to build but not able to achieve what actually they are looking for? How many? Okay. And what problems, what kind of the problems that you guys are suffering when doing all this kind of the projects? Just give me in the 1 or 2 words in chat. Okay, that's great question. Training, no agrarian skills in new AI. Okay, okay. Now you are on the good path today. Okay, that's great. Okay, okay. Roadmap, yes. Okay, okay. So now let's API key. Oh, this is very big hurdle today. That's all hurdle that will be sorted out. Okay, that's I'm giving the 1000% surety. Tools to use. Yeah, agree, agree. There's a lot of the tools, so we will not able to get which one we have to be used. Okay, so I got the like scene behind it. Okay, so now 1950. Okay, so image that you are seeing on the image on the screen. So there's a rule based data processing. Okay, so what happened in the 1950? The data sites what is the available in the market is very very small. Okay, and there's a very few patterns are available. So that's why what the people are doing in 1950, I will zoom it much more. Okay, yeah, I think now it's good. Okay, so in that case what happened, people just use rule base means if and else switch case. If this particular word is available in this particular line or the paragraph, then that particular paragraph is belongs to the this category. If this particular set of the formula is or the like pattern is available in this particular set of the rows of the CSV or the group of the people, then that belongs to the this particular category. So this is what the people were doing in 1950. Okay, but from 1950 to 1980 the data increase, data quality increase, data category has been increased a lot. So that's why people come up with the machine learning. So machine learning means they have been implemented statistics models, linear algebra, probability, and there are a lot of the mathematics formulas that they have been put together and put it into the coding language. So we can able to do the coding on that particular formula and give the data set training and give the learning to the machine. So now machine will able to understand, they derive that kind of the problems, sorry, that kind of the mathematics formula. So with the help of that we will able to give the instruction to the machine to learn from the data, so that they have been achieved. Okay, but what happened, the limitation of the machine learning is on the accuracy. Machine learning is not able to give you the level of the accuracy, this is one. And the second, the amount of the time that machine learning take is very very high. So that's why what happened, the things has been changed. And what is the need to be to change the and make the upgrade version of the machine learning? So as you can see on the screen, 1919 to the 2000. So what happened in that particular era, what happened in that particular era is neural network. Okay, so can anyone tell me what that particular era is, 1920 to 2000? What happened in this era? What the magical thing has been happened? Okay, I will tell you. Internet boom, dot com boom. So yes, IT boom. Yes, 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 Sakshi. Yeah, you are right. Absolutely right. Okay, so that's the 1920 and the 2000. Okay, so that's the IT boom. So when the IT boom has been came in the market, every person have the access to build their own startup, their own idea into the website. whatever that we can say. So that's why the data has been increased a lot data has been increased. That's why the machine learning is not able to do what actually that the people are looking for. So that's why they have been come with the neural network. So neural network is a mimic of the human brain. With the help of that, we will able to train the large data set, and then able to take a very good accuracy in the uh, like uh, uh, give the accuracy to the market, and also their own purpose, their personal use or company use. Okay, this is one. So this is a way till 2000 everything is going very well. But again the things has been changed in 2017, when a model has been come in the market named transformer. So that model has been came from the Google, a few scientists, okay, who are from the Google. They are coming with the something innovative and saying that you have to make the things the same way that the human think about it. Okay, example, currently I am talking to each of you here, and you are listening me. So this is a attention, or this is a focus mode. Okay, so this is a focus mode. So that's why people advise and the scientists advise that you, if you are a human being, then if you are doing all this kind of the things, okay, then why not a, a machine learning model or deep learning model should have to do this one. So this is why they have been come with the solution attention all you need. So with the help of this, what they derive that you have to give a different layer which is named as a attention all you need. So that's where the things has been changed totally. And nowadays the whole LLM models, diffusion models, chat gpt, Gemini, Cloud, whatever the models are available in the market are based on the transformer architecture. So that's what the transformer evaluation. Okay, and after 2018 to 2025 till now, we are living in the era of the pre-training models. So what is the pre-training model? I will give you the explanation of that as well. Okay, so pre-trained model using the large data and the massive compute so that it is ready to use without any additional training. Okay, that's known as the pre-train. So I will give you an example. Okay, so that will make your life easy. So here, if I will say, uh, you are living in India. Okay, developer 1. Okay, the other person living in developer 2, the third developer is in China. All are working on login and sign up logic. Okay, API. What is the basic condition of this one? Okay, username. Okay, username or email. Got it? And password. So when I'm going to try to build something like this, okay, so India, US and China. Okay. Oh, how many people are not able to like everyone is not able to hear my voice, or only the few? So I will able to get to know. We can hear. Okay, everyone is okay. I think there's a few only people. So you have to just check your connection. Thank you. So India developer 1, US developer 2, China developer 3, all are working on the same API on their company, and they have to work on the Google and the email password. Now basic logic. So here name at the rate gmail.com or yahoo.com, whatever that I can say. Okay, and here password should be capital, lowercase, uppercase, special character, numbers and 10 characters. Okay, something like this. So this is what actually happened in the market. So what the people did, people create a library. Okay, a library where go and call a particular function. Okay, and with the help of that you will able to do this particular thing very easily in single line of code. So that's known as that whatever that you want, I put it into the bucket of the I put the whole code into the single bucket, and after that, okay, in after that I give you this particular bucket and use this bucket as a function, and your work has been done. So what will happen now? India people don't have to waste their time, they have to just call a function from the library. Okay, this is same, this is same, this is same. Got it? So the same way pre-trained model work. Okay, the same way pre-trained model work. What they are saying, pre-trained. Okay, so we have the data, okay, of the, just take an example of images. Okay, now I have implemented approximately 10 million plus images, model trained. Okay, after that, that model trained, now what I will do with few of 100 images of mine, I will use and build custom model. That's it. Now I don't have to be trained from the scratch. What I will do, I will just use the pre-trained model plus 100 images, and then my custom model is ready. So what this known is fine tuning. Got it? This is a one way. Second way, do we get the recording of? Yes, you will get the recording of this session. Don't worry. Okay. So this is a fine tuning. This is one. Second way, already pre-trained model is available. What now people will do? Pre-trained model, I will give you the API, and then you will give the image. Okay. Plus prompt, and then results it's ready. So this is a two-way, this is a few ways with the help of that you can able to do it. So first one is the obviously your custom data here, like I will say data, this is not needed now. Okay, yeah, everything you will get, everything, don't worry, you will get everything, don't worry, just focus on the learning. Okay, I will give you the much more data for this learning. Okay, everything is available on our platform, and I am available on the LinkedIn. You can just message me whenever you want. Okay, just focus on the learning part. Okay, so this is pre-trained. I will give the API, image and prompt, and with the help of the API you will get the results. That's the same way that the chat GPT and other people are doing currently. So this is known as the pre-trained. Okay, now let's focus on the foundation model. So when we talk about the foundation model, so that means what happened, I have been built a pre-trained model. This is one characteristic. Second, generalize. Generalize means I have been used the data, text, images, speech, structure, 3D signal, everything. I use everything. This is not a kind of the model that can only work on the text, only work on the images, etc, etc. No, generalized model, the way that the human is generalized. Okay, take example of the professor of your college who can talk and discuss with you each topic whatever that you want to be discussed. Okay, they don't care about which question that you are asking. So your professor is generalized, okay, can able to talk on any topic. So he is not a expert person, he is a generalized person. Now if you will go with the different person who can only talk on mathematics or physics or data structures and algorithm, so we call them, this kind of the particular person known as a expert people. So we build as a generalized, adaptable by using the prompting, large in the nature, else self-supervised. Self-supervised means we don't have to give the labels like the specific information to the particular what I can say, I don't have to give the particular labels to the data while training, they will learn themselves. So this is a few characteristics of the foundation model. Okay, now what are the different kinds of the foundation model? So basically they are the only three types of. Okay, so here is two written, I will just this is a like old updated, not the updated document. Okay, only one point is missing, which is One is large language model. When we talk about the large language model, that means natural language processing. When we talk about the diffusion model, then that's known as a computer vision. When we talk about natural language and computer processing both, that means multimodal. That's the only things. So I will copy paste this for your ease. I will keep it here. Okay. So when I combine this language processing, so NLP plus computer vision equal to multimodal. That's it. Multimodal models. Okay, that have the capability to talk in text as well as images, audio, video, whatever that you can be considered. Okay, so this is that you have to be learned. Okay, this is very like a popular interview question. What is the LLM and how it's different from the foundation model? How it's different from the diffusion model? It's very popular interview question. And also self supervised is also very uh, like important interview question that you have to be look into it. Okay, so this is a way that the things has been happen. Now there are the different ways of the models are available in the market that you have to be understand. Okay, so one is open source, second is closed source. That's it. They're the only two types of the models are available. Open source, where you can use it openly, download it, fine tune it, make the changes, whatever the changes that you want to use, and sell it at your cost. No one will going to be ask you. Okay, that's the free of cost. Got it? This is the way that the things happen. One. Second, closed source. ChatGPT. ChatGPT is not giving the open source model. Okay, last 2 week only they have been released few open source model that now we can able to use it. But there are most of the model like GPT-4, GPT-3. Okay, all are the closed source where you don't have to be you don't able to use it on their own purpose. You can have to access via API or the ChatGPT. Now, there's a one of the biggest challenge of the open source. You can download open source from websites which are available like the Hugging Face. You can go on the Hugging Face and download it. But how you will use it? That's the biggest challenge. Okay. So in that case, what you can do, there are a lot of the websites are available. I will just list it out here. Okay. The first one is the Groq. Okay, the second one is the together.ai. Okay, and the third one is again Hugging Face. Okay, they are putting LLM models on their own servers and then giving us the API to use it. That's it. And totally free of cost. I will give you that access as well, how you can get a free of cost. Okay, so this is a way that you can able to access the open source model. Closed source, go to the ChatGPT, Gemini, AI Studio, and you will able to get it. This is done. Third party cloud services, again, AWS having their own servers. They are providing a lot of what I can say like open source, closed source, both model. You can go and just pay them and they will give you. So this is a way that you can able to do it. So this is a basic glimpse of the GenAI, how it started, what are the different types of the GenAI models and everything. Okay, now let's move to the how you will able to get a proper this what I can say open source. Yes. So let's go to the console. Sorry, Groq.com. See. So this is a Groq.com. Okay, go to the start building, click on start building, a new page will be open. Okay, and you have to log in. I already log in, so I can go to the playground. Oh, I don't log in, sorry, let me log in it. So okay, yeah, this one is the what that I use it mostly. So see, this is a list of the model. Okay, Alibaba DeepSeek model is also available by the Google. Gemma is available. Groq, their own models are available. All the models by the Meta is available. Moonshoot and OpenAI. See, OpenAI GPT OSS 120 billion parameters. GPT OSS 20 billion parameters. And Play AI, again one more company. So Alibaba Cloud is a company. This is a model name. DeepSeek is a company, this is a model name. Google is a company and other thing is the model name. Now you can go and easily use it. See. So, and one of the best thing that I will tell you, the speed of the Groq is next level. I will show you. Okay. We'll compare like side by side, so that will help you. So this is a chat GPT temporary chat. Okay, that will not save. So write a Python Flask API CUD operations for my e-commerce website, and also to the logging proper error exceptions and commenting. Okay, so I will copy this here. I will copy this. Now I will do first submit this. See, this is done. This is done. This is still doing. See, they are still doing. This is insane. Literally, this is insane. Now I will tell you. See, this is a speed. Inference time 0.01 second. Input seconds. Output 2 seconds. 2.5. 2.5 second. Token per second. Token means words. 14,560. Getting my point? So this is a level of the like inference that they are providing. Okay, now new message. Okay, just go with the new message. Let's refresh it. Write a 10,000 book story of Krishna and Krishna for Janmashtami celebration. Okay, copy. Just refresh this as well. Paste here. Done. Oh, sorry. Done. See, it's still writing. This is done. This is the speed within 1 second. Getting my point? So this is what that's the power of the Groq. You love it. And now I will tell you the magical part. Docs billing free. See, free. That's it. Build and test. The only one thing which is how it is too fast. Good question. I will give the answer. I have the answer basically because I met the founder of this company in US, so I know in and out what and how they are doing. Okay, so this is a free. You can directly go and use it. Okay, and we will do it today itself. So don't worry about it. So now how it's fast. The reason between most of the companies are using GPU, they are using LPU. That's the reason. No, that's the like not a issue of the what I can say accuracy. That's the power of the machine that they are using. Most of the company using GPU, they are using language processing unit. Okay, and they are a very good story of this person how they have been become a very good example for the company who are working for a long while. Will Grok perform will be similar if you try to generate images? I don't try it. You can go and check it out and do let me know as well. Okay, so LPU they are using, most of the companies are using GPU. Okay, so that's the only single reason that they have. Got it? So now you can go and explore it. So this is one thing. Now I will list it out here, so that will help you. Okay, now tech stack to build any GenAI application. or project, I will list it here. Okay, so don't worry about it. First, LLM model. So I will suggest go and try and use it Groq with like any open source model. Okay, for learning purpose, which is good. So this is sorted. Okay, 100% free, no cost. So this is one. Second, which framework that you have to be used. Okay, so LangChain is good one framework. Okay, LangChain is a very good AI framework, is available in the market. A lot of things are already available. With the help of this, you can able to go and learn about it. So this is also free and open source. Okay, we will use it, don't worry, we will use it. Okay, now programming language, obvious, you are going to use Python, free and open source. So again, you don't have to be use money here as well. ID, which ID you will use? VS Code. Okay, again free of cost, no charges. Fifth, you have to put your code on GitHub. Okay, again free of cost, you don't have to be charged. So this is done. Okay, we'll include it fewer things later if needed in between. So this is the way that things happen. So this is done. Now what is a pipeline, which is very much important? Okay, pipeline, okay, or roadmap to build any LLM application or project. Okay, so let's go with this one. So I will log into, this is our platform. Okay, you can go and explore it. So okay, so start learning. So this is our platform. On the project section, I will go. So we have the resources. So this is a project that we are going to do today. Build your own AI clone. View resources. This is an image. Try to understand this image. Take 1 or 2 minutes and try to understand what actually this image is trying to say you. Okay, anyone want to say something like, yeah, sir, I got it? Anyone? Okay, okay, no one, no issue. So let's start. So now I will take the example. Okay, I will take the example like data sources. Okay, the same way that company, in the company. Okay, what happened in the company, that's important thing. Okay, how the company works, what are the things that you have to do in the company, not in the college. I am like I have been built 50 plus machine learning models and put it into the production. Okay, so I can give you the best advice and the path. Using that, you can able to build industry level projects, not college level project, school level project, or like Kaggle, GitHub, Google, YouTube. No, 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 this is not what that I am coming here. I always look for the different approach. So I will give you the information, I will give you the decision power, Okay, so this is a way that you can able to build the project, because nowadays coding is going to be done by very easily with the lot of the chat gpt like applications. So we have to focus on the architecture, we have to focus on the problem solution, documentation, decisions, costing, optimization, all these kind of things that you should know. The more the things you know, the more the way that you will able to do the projects in the company very easily. Otherwise what will happen, you have the Einstein, you have the world's powerful tool or the machine in your hand, but you don't know how to use it. Okay, so now take an example in the company. When we talk about the company, so in that particular case you will not get the data in the single particular resource, okay, or the like data warehouse. No, the data that you will get in the different kinds of the format. So few data is available in the FAQ database. So FAQ database means question and answer. Few database is available customer support database. So here we are trying to create a customer support from this particular image. Okay, product doc database, customer want to ask product document related questions as well, and all are into the different file format. So different file format means PDF, CSV, Excel, in any other MongoDB, MySQL, blah blah blah. Okay, so this is a way that you will get the data in the company. So that's why you have to be make sure all data should be clean properly. I will just zoom it. So that should be clean properly. So you have to clean it, and you have to structure it and format it into the single particular format. So why there is a need of the cleaning? So there is one saying, okay, and take a example, garbage in, garbage out. If you will give the garbage data to your model or the LLM, or the, if your prompt is not that level of the good, then you will not get the good result. So always remember, garbage in, garbage out. Take example of your brother or the younger brother or the a child if you have in your home. If you will give the wrong learning or false learning to the child, then they will speak in the same way. So that's why we have to make sure ourselves the quality of the data should always be the best. So that's why we have to clean it. Again, cleaning here is very subjective, this is not the fixed one. Okay, and in next 15 minutes and 20 minutes I will prove AI will not going to take your job, but AI can replace your job if you will not upskill yourself. That is going to be happen very soon. But AI is not going to be take your job, and without human, no one in this world can able to use AI efficiently. AI need humans. Human don't need AI. Okay, AI needs human. Okay, and company needs us to run the AI and use the AI. That's we will prove in next 20 to 30 minutes. Okay, so this is structure. So again, cleaning and structure based on the use case. Take example of cleaning. If you are getting the database or the data set of the customer support, in that if you have the emojis, so you cannot remove the emojis. If you will remove the emojis, then you are removing the sentiments, because people love to talk and share the emojis. If they are angry, they will use the angry emoji. If they are not in a very good mood, so they will just send something constant face. If they are happy, laughing, so this is a way that people react, people talk to the other like customer support system. So if you will remove all these things, then that will be the very bad for your use case. If this is a use case, then you don't have to be permitted to remove this particular emojis. But this is not happen in each case. Take example of like where emojis is not needed. Okay, like financial model where that emojis is not needed, only the numbers are needed, where we have to predict the stock price works on the numbers. So that's why, again, based on the use case, you have to take the decision which particular part of your data you have to remove and which particular part of the data that you don't have to remove. Okay, now formatting. Again, the formatting is very important. So what are the different types of the formatting? So few are the JSON, CSV, Excel, PDF, document, Markdown. Okay, we will talk on that particular formatting as well. Again, this is totally depend on the use case. The way the use case is there, what use case is given to you, the same way that you will able to decide, or your company manager or the senior will take a decision on the base of that particular use case, which format that we have to use. So this is the way. Once you will get the data, you have to clean it, structure it, and put it into the single bucket. So whole data now into the different sources into the single one. Again, for your ease, I will explain with here. So you have JSON, okay. So you have, sorry, PDF plus CSV plus document docs plus MySQL database plus NoSQL database, and you are converting everything into the JSON or the Markdown or doc or CSV. Again, depends on the use case. Got it? So this is how that cleaning and structure is happening. Now, what is splitting and chunking? So that's the very important point. Very important point. Now, I have very good example to explain you. Okay. So let's refresh this page. Okay. Can quickly anyone can tell me which phone that you folks are using? Just reply fast. Give me the phone. Which phone? I am using. Just give me. Okay, nothing phone. Okay, Samsung S3. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, Redmi Note. Okay, I will go with the Redmi Note. Okay, so what is the GB? How much GB that you have currently, and how much has been consumed? Redmi Note person. Redmi Note. The person who give the Redmi Note answer. How much GB has been used till now? Okay, can anyone else? I think he or she is not able to give the answer. Checking to the phone. Okay, 108. That's great. And that have, mostly that have, okay, okay, 135. Okay, I don't know. And that have chat, okay, images, PDF, CSV, and files, docs, okay, phone calls, data. Now give me total number of tokens on this use data. Let's see. I will explain what is a token and why we are doing all these things. Okay, so let's wait for a while. Okay, so quick calculation. Upper bound is this one. Okay, this one. Okay, so this is the upper bound. Okay, 33 billion tokens. Now, if I want to build a chatbot on your phone, and you have only 33 billion tokens. Okay, and I will give you the definition of the token. Token, for sake of the simplicity, understand each word equal to token for sake of the understanding. If we will go to the deeper, so I will give you the one more definition. Each model have the different kind of the calculation to calculate the token. Not every model do the same calculation to calculate the token. If LLM model consider this 3 token, maybe Gemini will consider 5 token, and other model will consider 6 token, some other model will consider 8 tokens, totally based on their calculation of tokenization. Okay, So don't go there. For the sake of the simplicity, we will consider one word equal to token. Okay, one token. Okay, for sake of the simplicity. Got it? Clear. Now this person have single person have this particular number of the tokens. Now if I want to build a chatbot of the whole college students, for all students on college data, then you can think how the level of the data that will be used here. Okay, I think more than 100 billions. Okay, now I will tell you a problem. So this is one website, I will share that as well, don't worry. So this is a model comparison. This is the performance of the each model. Okay, you can see it here. Now this is a context window, cost and speed comparison. I will come on that part as well. So this is a context window. So context window means you have the limitation for each model, how many tokens that you can pass to the each particular API call. So this is a API call. If I will write it here something like this is a single API call. So how many tokens that I can give it here? Okay, which is known as the context window. This is the input context window, and the output that I got it here, that is known as the output token window. Okay, context window, sorry. Okay, so this is 10 million. Now the context window is 10 million of world's largest context window model, which is Llama 4. Okay, Gemini 1 million, and we have the data, only single person have the data 337 sorry 33.75 billion token, and we have the limitation of 10 million only. So that's why this is a problem. So that's why what people has been suggested, you have to split the data into the proper and small chunks. So I will give you the example that as well. I don't use PPTs, okay, because I always love to share the things on the real time. So you will also able to learn how I am doing, okay, of data. See, one of the best image, this one, this is a good image. This is a large text, and this is a chunking model that I used and put it into the multiple chunks, small chunks. Okay, now I will give you the example. Does calculation of input output tokens are same? Calculation of what? Calculation of pricing. If you are asking the calculation of pricing, so that is no, pricing is different. If you are if you are asking the calculation of model, doing the difference, so yes, they always do the different calculation. Their method to calculate input and output is always different based on your output. Text to image, image to image, image to text, text to video. So this is the way that they work. And as you can see on the screen, the costing is also very much different. Input cost of 1 million token is 0.01. Output cost of 1 million token is 0.04. Now I will show you one of the biggest and costly LLM model, GPT 4.5. $75. Output $150. Claude $15, $75. Claude 4 15, 75. And cheapest one is Gemini 0.07, 0.07. So this is one. Now speed, let's talk about the speed. Llama 2600 token per second, latency 0.33. So this is a way that you have to again take the decision here. Okay, now I will repeat few things. You are taking decision here, which particular data source you have to use and why. You are taking decision on cleaning, structure, formatting. Now you are taking the decision on chunking as well, because you cannot go and directly say to your manager or your company person who are leading or working with you on the particular project, and you will go and tell them, Okay, buddy, let's do this particular data into chunk into the 100. They will ask you why 100, what are the reason, how you decided this particular number. This is one. And the second, how many characters or the words you need in the each chunk or the each document. That's also the people will ask you. This is a very famous interview question. How you will decide which particular technique that you will use, and on what particular basis you will take the decision how many numbers that you need, how many tokens that you need or characters you need in the each chunk. So this is why that you have to be know all these things, and you have to take the decision. You have to take a hit and try, then only you will able to get to know. Got it? So that's why we have to split it. Once we will split it, then we can accommodate a lot of the data, whatever the purpose that we want to put it. So this is way the half thing has been done. Okay, till now anyone have any questions? Then please go ahead, then I will go ahead. I'm taking 1 or 2 minutes of the time for you folks. You can ask me. Okay, you can ask me the questions. I'm happy to answer. ओह नो क्वेश्चन। भाई इतना अच्छा नहीं पढ़ाता हूँ मैं, ये तो मेरे को भी डाउट हो रहा है अब। ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है कि मैंने इतना अच्छा पढ़ा दिया? ओके, ओके, आई विल वेट फ्यू मोर सेकेंड्स, नो इश्यू. Okay, questions. Which chunking model which is open source can we use here? Can you repeat the interview question you told? Are fully stored. Okay, one by one. Which chunking? So there is no open source model. Okay, for the chunking. Okay, there's a few techniques are available that I will tell you which techniques that you have to be used. Okay, Karthik. Now, can you repeat the interview question? Yes. So interview question is how you will define which particular technique or the function that you are going to be used for this particular use case for the chunking, and what is the number of the chunks that you will create, and how many words or the tokens or the character you will put in each chunk. This is a question. How to determine the garbage, again based on the use case. Okay, this is not the straightforward answer. You have to think about a lot what the type of the use case that you have. Sir, can we relate this is making the knowledge graph? Can we relate this is making the knowledge graph? So knowledge graph is a very different thing. We will talk about it. Okay, don't worry. Okay, what are the parameters in LLM? So parameters means the number of the neurals or the weights and the bias is in the LLM. I will give the example of this. So go to the deep learning neural network models. Okay, so this is a parameter. So if you will count this all lines, and after that the sum is equal to parameters. So 120 billion parameters, that means you have to count every node, circle, every line, everything, and after that the total is known as the parameter. Okay, you said 33 billion tokens but only have the 10 million. So why chunking is made? It's billion, Abhilash. It's billion. 33 billion for the each person, and the model have the limitation that you can send only 10 million. How you can accommodate all data into the 10 million with the 13 billion? 10 million means 1 crore. 33 billion means like 330 crore. So that's why we need to be chunk it into the different and small segments. Okay, yeah, back to the screen. Yeah, now this is the way that we have been solved the problem of the context window limitation. Okay, with the help of the chunking and splitting. Now one more issue. In the starting we saw the models are based on the mathematics formula. Okay, and the data that we have, that's coming from the text images. So how we will able to convert our text images into the matrix or the numbers, that is going to very tough thing. This is not going to be very easy. So what we have to do, we have to convert the whole data into the vectors. Okay, so I will show you that as well. Text to vector format data. So this is known as a vector. This is n-dimensional matrix of the data, that's known as the vector data. Okay, see this one. You have the text, images, audio transform into the embedding, then vector data and vector database. Now you have been convert. Why we are converting? Again, I am repeating. This is also the very good interview question. So whenever the person will ask you why we are converting the data, why there is a need of, why there is a need of, why we cannot be give directly the data. So very straightforward answer. All machine learning models and the GPT models are based on the mathematics. They understand only mathematics. Computer understand only mathematics. So that's why we have to convert it. So next question, where we can save? So you will say, okay, in vector DB. Then why there is a need of the vector DB if there's a lot of the other different kinds of the databases are available in the market? Okay, so in that case, what you can do very simple thing, which is VectorDB is a special kind of the database that have the capability to store the matrices and do the indexing and the number calculation, which is not available in the traditional databases. So that's what the answer is. Okay, now there's one more list has been come here. Chunking, okay, chunking and splitting techniques, okay, available in most of the frameworks. So LangChain that we are using here, then VectorDB. Okay, VectorDB. So again, there are a lot of the VectorDB are available. Chroma is open source, okay, that you can go and use it, but it's not very good for the company purpose. Okay, Pinecone is also available in the market, very good, but pricing, okay, and very expensive. Okay, then there's a few other vector DBs are available like Redis, and which that I recommend always, which is Quadrant. Freely available for the learning purpose and production grade level projects, you can use it this one. Okay, so this is vector DB. Now one more problem is there. You have the text data. Now come here. You have the text data. I will go step by step. Okay, so take an example. You have 10 million plus tokens. Okay, you create 10,000 K chunks of text. Okay, this is of text. Okay, now I need to be convert this into vector. How? So in that case, what will happen? Vector. Okay, vectors. So how that going to be possible? So this answer is embedding model. So now there's a special kind of the model available in the market, which is known as the embedding model. So the purpose of the embedding model to convert text into vectors. Now the magic I will tell you, and that will be very khatanak magic. So I will save this link for you folks. So okay, so there is a leaderboard is available. Okay, so this is a leaderboard which is available of the list of the all embedding models available in the market, and I will give you the basic number. See, this is the basic number. How many? More than 200 embedding models are available based on the multilingual. Now if I will go to the domain specific code, I am doing the particular data. I have the data of the code. I have to convert the code into the number after cleaning and all these things. Then what I will do, I will use a code specific embedding model. In that case, you have again the very big list. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13, rough around 13. So 13 different kinds of the models are available. So here also you have to take the decision. You will not go blindly and select. Close your eyes and I will pick randomly from the set of the like from the bag where like group of the bowls are available, like we are doing in the 10th or 12th class while solving the probability. No, this is not going to be happen here. You have to very intelligent and you should know all these kind of the things. So here embedding models, this is splitting with the this combination. I will able to convert whole data into the knowledge base. Once all this done, then my each chunk, okay, this is my each chunk. Now this all chunks are going to be of vectors, and now save to vector db. So this is phase 1. Okay, this is phase 1 from data to knowledge base. This is how that you can able to start working on it. Okay, now phase 2. So now I will again remember you. Here you take a decision of data sources. Here you take the decisions of the what cleaning, processing, structure, formatting, everything that you are taking care of. Here you are splitting and chunking. Okay, again you are taking the decision which vector db that you have to use, which embedding model that you have to use. So at the each step you are taking the decision which is based on the costing, latency, optimization and all these things. Okay, now I will give you the list as well. See, so this is a few libraries are available in the market. Okay, see, unstructured, when you have the type of the data format text, images and logs, in that condition you have to use unstructured.io. When you have the web pages, then you have to use scrap ai, langchain, file loader, web loader. So they are the different techniques are available for the loading the data as well using the python. There are a few techniques of the cleaning as you can see here. Then splitting and chunking that you are asking about it. See this particular list. If you have the plain text, method is different. If you have the HTML, method is different. If you have the markdown, again method is different. Code, method is different. Text for LLM, again method is different. So everywhere you have to take the decision. Everywhere. And this all methods are available in the LangChain, and this all whatever that you are seeing on the screen is available in the our particular platform. Okay, so here you have to take the decision. Embedding, I already told you that you have to take the decision of embedding. You have to take the decision of vector db, which you have to use, why and all these things. So this is a way the phase 1 has been completed. Now I will take again 2 minutes of the pause and I am happy to give the answers. Then we will jump to the phase 2. Okay, no questions or are you typing? So yeah, we'll take 1 or 2 minutes. How to choose embedding model? Again, you have to go and see this is a list. Okay, uh, take example of on the English you are working. Okay, sorry, English. Okay, not domain specific, and you have to come here. Okay, which language? Okay, what is a domain? Domain means what is a domain of your particular use case. It is reviews, written, programming, medical. So this is a way that you will able to find out which particular domain of your use case on that domain which is aligned with your one. Okay, then accuracy, then modality, text. So there are the few models who help to the text plus image both. So again, based on that particular that's based on that particular parameters, you have to take the decision. But again, not always this is going to be help you to take a best decision. You have to use it, then you have to do a little bit of the research if someone has been used this one and what's the result that they will able to get it. Then with the help of that, you will able to put it into your code, and then you are good to go and see the results. Then based on the results, you will take the another decision. Do I need to be go with the some other or going with this one? Okay. Jasmine, not able to understand chunking. Can you believe again? Very basic example. You have the lot of the data which is not going to be accommodate that you can put it into your home from the window or from the your door. So you have to be cut down your data. Okay, how you will put your whole furniture into your home. Okay, so what that in that condition that you will do, you will put the lot of the data into the small boxes. And when you will able to do this, then you will able to put it the boxes via your door or the window, whatever the living area that you are living. Okay, so that's why. So there's the same way that LLM is not able to accommodate the whole data, because when we are building the any application, we have to give the more to more data. Okay, and the more data that we will give, the limitation of the context window, due to the limitation of the context window, we will not able to give the whole data. That's why. Got it? What does the embedding model convert into? Vectors. Very simple. It will convert into the vectors. Okay, Karthik, how to use embedding model? Soon we will able to jump into the code where you will able to get the find out the answer of this one. Okay, so last 1 minute. Should be there overlap in the chunks? If so, yes, you can use the overlapping as well. That depends how much overlapping that you are using. Okay, what is a multimodal capability? How we can improve for your chatbot? There's a lot of the ways that you can use it. Try different embedding models, try different LLM models, try different chunking parameters, try different prompt engineering techniques. So this is not a single straightforward answer. You have to always try hit and try a lot of things. What if we will convert it into binary? Does this provide a better understanding? No, binary don't have the any kind of the understanding, because that number lie between the 0 and 1. So that's why. What if there is a data less chunking, and how do we overcome? So that's you have to be make sure there's whole data, the whole data is 1 million, and after converting into the chunking, okay, the data is again 1 million. If you are not able to convert into the 1 million, there is a data loss and you have to recheck while chunking it. So there's a basic example. You have the book of the 1000 pages, and while you are converting into the 1000 book of page into the 10 different book of 100 page, so you should be make sure each particular small book have the 100 pages. So you have to be check it. So there is a no like straightforward library or the function is available that you have to do manually using Python. I think everyone on the same page. So let's jump to the part 2. Okay, so now this is part 2. Our knowledge base has been ready. Let's keep this open. Our knowledge base has been ready. This is a user. Now user will query a particular question that they are asking to your chatbot. They can ask anything. There is a no kind of the restrictions that you can give to the user. So that's why they can ask anything. So when they are asking, so you can give the knowledge base. Okay, this is a knowledge base. Now on the basis of that query, okay, now the magic will come. I will show, I will explain you. Now the magic will become, see, phase 2. Okay, so user is asking query like give me a product, give me pricing of your product. This is what that they need. User ask this one. Now you have 10k plus chunks. See this one. So what will happen? This query, okay, this q1, I will say q1. So this Q1, go to the vector DB. Okay, and scan all 10K plus chunks. Okay, and give as return, not give, sorry, return most accurate or similar chunks with the Q1. And this is a way, take example, while asking Q1 you will get chunk number 456. So this is a way chunks help us, because not every chunk have the data of this one. Example, take example of this particular document. Okay, this is a long document of 17 words. Now I will count it, the how many words are there. So they are 4000 words are there. Okay, take example 4000 chunks. Now I want to ask open source. Okay, so what I will do, okay, or foundation model. Okay, foundation model. So now foundation model is mostly available here, not everywhere it is available. Okay, see here nothing is available. After this nothing is available related to the foundation model. Okay, this is one. So that's why I need only the data where the foundation models related content is available. So that's why chunking is very helpful to get the important chunks only related to your query. So this is a way that I will get my chunk. Got it? Now I will go back to my diagram. So this is user. I will give the query to the my vector DB. I will able to get a chunk. Okay, that's done. After that, I will give the chunk to here. Then I will use the LLM model. Which LLM model I have to use? Then the prompt template. So prompt template means what are the roles and responsibility that I have been given in the prompt template. That's known as the prompt. Okay, what I want to be give the instruction to my LLM model, that's known as the prompt template. Then memory, okay, you have to make sure that each conversation is saved in some other file, so you will keep on giving this data to the LLM. Then output slash results, so I will be able to get the result, and once this result is there, then I will evaluate it, and human will add their feedback and give back to the model. So this is a way that the whole pipeline will work. And now this is all about generative AI. Nothing more than this, nothing more than. There are the few things are available only. The few more things are available, which is like if I will give the access, okay, if I will have, no, I don't have this one. No. So if you will able to give the access of the tools means Google search, calendar, Slack, on the particular decision, we will able to give the access to the particular search and go and take the data from the search, and then you will able to get what actually you want if the data is not available in your database. So this is all about generative AI, nothing more than this. If you will able to understand these two images, image 1 and image 2, then your generative AI is finished. Now you have to only focus on building the projects, as many as you can able to do it. And there are a lot of things are already available here. Now I will open the code, so that will give you the understanding properly whatever that we have been discussed. Okay, let's close this one. Okay, I don't know who percent this particular thing. So this is website, okay, WhatsApp group, okay, this is YouTube channel, okay. So this is already there. So now I will install pip install LangChain Groq. LangChain is a framework, Groq is the LLM model, sorry, inference platform, whose LLM model that we are going to use. So it's running. I will create a API key. So I will go to the Groq, click on the API, create API, webinar session, GenAI, submit. Okay. I will copy the API. I will go to the collab, I will paste it here. Okay, and which model that I have to be used. So I will click it done, go to the docs. There is the model list is available on the left hand side, and I'm going to use this particular model. Okay, the newer one. So I will click on the copy, then I will go here, give the name of the model. So this is what that I given. So installations has been done. I will run this one. So I click on the shift enter. So now what I have been given, you are tasked with the design to enterprise grade mathematics platform capable solving the complex mathematics problem for the particular advanced problem, and this is my problem and I need an answer. So everything has been given here. Okay, then I got the answer the same way that a particular chat gpt is given. Okay, now if I will go here, so translate the code as sorry, this one. So this is a variable. Okay, you can put prompt here. This is a prompt, then this is a variable. If you want the dynamic variable, then you can put it who are you, what you are doing, English, Punjabi, translation. Okay, now we will jump on the cloning part. Okay, so there are the few techniques that I will already told you. Everything is available here. You have to just click it here, and if the whole code is available, we will jump on the cloning part, the major thing that we will do. Okay, so now loading and chunking. Okay, so I will install few packages. I will install this packages as well, and till that I will go here. Okay, go to the chat gpt. Now I need a knowledge base of myself because I am building my own clone who can able to talk instead of me. So what I will do, okay, so here I have to remove temporary chat because I want to use the memory of ChatGPT. Give me the I am creating a chatbot of myself, means Deepak Chawla. So I need knowledge base, okay, of at least 5,000 words, and make sure it should be a proper structure and try to include all the things. Uh, don't include a lot of, I will zoom it. Okay, so that will help you. Again, don't include a lot of words into single section. Enter. So they already know about me, that's why. So the same way that you can also do it. Okay, just draft it now. So this is a way that you can able to do it. Let me see if I already do it somewhere, so that will save our time. Yes, so DCKB is already available. I already did this for the previous workshop. So I will load the data. You can put the content DCKB. Okay, you can put your one, the PDF with the 5 pages. Now I will show you the magic. Now you will love it. See, chunk size is 500. Recursive character text splitter, chunk size is 500. Overlapping is 250. Now I will run this code. See, 500 chunk size and 24 chunks. Now I will change just chunk size 200. Oh, sorry, 150, because overlapping is not more than this, na, that's not possible. 172 chunks. If I will change 100 and overlapping is 50, again chunks is increasing. 500 overlapping is 250. Oh, sorry, same one, na, 1000 chunks are reducing and increasing based on the chunk size and overlapping. Got it? So now I will keep it 500 and 250. This is one. Now I will see the each chunk. So chunk 0, this is chunk 0, chunk 6, random one that we are seeing. Now embedding and vector DB. Okay, it's installing. Let's wait. Oh, that's done. Now I use all mini LM v6 v2. So this is a Hugging Face embedding function. With the help of that, I am able to initializing this embedding model. I'm using the ChromaDB, the collection name or the database name where I am putting everything. So now I can able to relate it. So this is done. I already keep the data clean, okay, because I already taken data, okay, the clean data. If you want to see, I can show you. Okay, it's not able to give me rename, refresh. Oh, sorry, I'm not able to open it. I don't know why. Okay, so let's go to here. So this is done. Cleaning that I already did it into the single document as a PDF. Splitting and chunking done. Now I need a embedding model. So with the help of the embedding model, I will put into the vector DB. So vector DB is the ChromaDB documentation. The whole code is available. Now run it. So it's doing all the chunking and putting into the ChromaDB of. So see, here we will able to see some folders. See, module, sentence transformation, tokenization, a lot of things. So new embedding store. See, ChromaDB folder has been created. See, got it? Now this is done. I will initialize the function. I will initialize the ChromaDB and run this one. See, now see, save embedding 1 as a content embedding 1.pny. So pny is a format of the numpy library. See, pny, okay, and npy, sorry, my bad. So npy is the role of the consumption various format. Oh wait, oh, see, library for the single numpy, okay, and this kind of the matrix has been saved, okay, here. Now one thing, chunk 1 has been saved here, so I will show you. Okay, chunks, see how many chunks are there, total 34. And now we will change it. I will show you that as well. Give me a bit. Okay, now I will run this code and that code. Okay, also do one more thing. Okay, see, now what I put it here, who is Deepak Chawla and what his do. This is my query. Okay, so my chunking has been done, my knowledge base has been created. So till this particular image, everything has been done. Now I am coming here. So query and knowledge base. So I am putting, I am giving the query. This is my query. Okay, just highlight here. This is my query. And I'm putting this query to the embedding model. Okay, this is embedding model. I am querying. This is a text. And after that, each particular chunk with the query, I have been calculate the probability where that I am getting the cosine similarity highest. Okay, so best chunking. Okay, so I will remove this particular part. So yeah, now I think, oh, still best chunking. Okay, just remove this one. Yeah, highest score is 0.706. So if I will see which one has the 0.076, so chunk 31. See, I will zoom it, so that will help you. Just remove this, just copy, control F, control C. See, 31. Now I will go to the my chunk of 31. Okay, so this is 31. Okay, see, I will show you one more time, starting from 1. So that's why in the array that will be 32. If you are from the Python background, then you know indexing start with the 31. So, oh, I have to minus it, sorry. Yeah, 30. See, so here everything is available, the best similarity formula. Now I will show you. Let's reduce this one. Okay, so 300. Oh, let's put it 150. Okay, and here 50. The chunk is 87. Okay, then we'll run only this particular code. Okay, with the embedding 4. Okay, the name will be different, so that will help us to compare with the embedding 4. Okay, so let's close this one. See, so how many chunks? See, 87. So embedding 5. See, 87 is there, 69, 87. Okay, this is one proof, 87. Okay, and again 87. Chunks has been saved in here 87. Now I will again put it, who is Deepak Chawla. Okay, and I will get this one. Now I will copy and paste it. 31 again is in the 31. Okay, so this is how that's the chunking has been done. Now I got my particular chunk. Okay, I will commit here. Now this is my whole code where everything is happening, so that has been put it into the single one. Okay, now I will run this particular code. Okay, and this is my prompt. So you are the AI clone with the personality mimic of the Deepak Chawla, who is a data scientist, a data scientist, mentor, working as a founder of HiDevs, blah blah blah. Instructions, what instructions that you have to give, you can able to give it here. And then here, after converting this, you have to run this particular cell. So let's wait. So again I am doing the chunking because I keep the whole code into the single cell to give you guys to understanding. Okay, now hi. Oh, service is not available. Oh, I forget to replace the API. Sorry, my bad. Where's the API key? Oh, here it is, API key. So we have to change that API key with the one that we were using, the new one. Okay, this one and this one. I have to copy this, go it here. I will copy this and paste it here. I will copy this model which we are using, copy, paste it here. Now we will delete this one, no use of this now. Hi, who are you? Deepak Chawla, how you can help me? See, so this is the questions and the answers that I am getting. I guide you the data science project. Where do you live? See, Mumbai, India. Thank you so much. Okay, this is good. Now I will update my database because this is the old one. Now what the one thing that I have to do, very simple thing, very simple thing. Okay, so section 1. So now I will tell it here, I need the whole document in the single shot. Don't ask me each time. So let's wait. I will give the updated data. Okay, so then we will able to ask it the more questions. So lot of data. Closing summary. So let's copy. Let's copy this. We'll comment here. Okay, and document. Just remove this particular thing. Okay, and this one. So this is a cleaning, as you can see I'm doing, which we have to do. The more the cleaner data, the more accurate result that we will able to get it, and there's a less chances for the hallucination. Hallucination means you don't have been given the data and you are expecting that chatbot will give you the answer. No, this is not going to be happen, or sometimes chatbot will forget the things. If human can forget the things, then chatbot can easily forget the things. Okay, so that's not a big deal at all. Okay. So done. Okay, I will write dckb file download as a PDF. Done. Oh, sorry. Download as a PDF with the name that I need. Replace. Yes. So that will be helpful. Commit here. Okay. So here we will delete this one. Delete file. Okay. From here. This is the latest one. Now I will rerun the whole code. Now 7 pages that they are saying. So let's calculate. Yes, 7 pages. Okay, now we'll type the hi. Hi, who are you? Founder of HiDevs building. Okay, what type of person you are? Oh, that's the obvious. Curious and oh, data driven mentor. Nice. What you have been done in your life till now? Why I should ask you questions, not from others. Okay, build HiDevs mentor 1000 and unique insights. So why this is giving the small answers? Because I have been mentioned especially in the prompt. See, don't answer more than 6 words. So I will keep it, remove it. Okay, so that's why it's giving this answer. So now I will show you the way that the you can able to change the things using the prompt. Okay, I will show you again if you missed it. See, don't answer more than 6 words. Don't means that don't always do the things whatever had been defined. So that's why I removed this one. Okay, rerun it. Hi. Okay, who are you? Deepak Chawla. Now you can see the answer length has been changed. Why I should take mentorship from you, not from others. Oh, founder of HiDevs will build the world's largest generative AI workforce in the world. Here, why my mentorship stand out: hands-on experience, community-first mindset, data science focus, and personalized guidance. If you want to mentor, just I can guide you. What HiDevs is doing. So this is a way that you can able to just put this code in your collab and change the few things in PDF or upload your PDF, and your AI clone is ready. Khatam, finish. That's it. And there are a lot of other things that I already put it in other columns, so you can go and explore that as well, because this is the 7 days of the Gen AI project learning. So this is all about. So hope you love it. Yes, I will share the recording. Whoa, oh, oh, so many questions. What is cosine similarity? Cosine similarity is a special kind of the formula. Okay, and don't leave the meeting. I have the few announcement and the prizes that I have to give. So cosine similarity. So cosine similarity is a special kind of the formula. With the help of that, you will able to get the similarity between, okay, with the similarity between the cosine group of the or the lines of the paragraph with the this particular query. So with the help of that, you will able to get to know, is there any difference between AI clone and AI agents? So there's only one difference between AI clone, which is work on directly on your knowledge base. They don't have the uh, tools access. Tools means you are not given anything related to the any tool. If this data is not available here, then go to the Google Drive and Google Calendar or whatever the tools access. If you will able to give the tools access and multiple small agents, sooner we'll do the workshop on the agents as well. So stay tuned with me. I will share the recording as well. I have the connecting issue. Yes, we know about it. We already raised the this particular thing on the LinkedIn. We are working on it. Sorry for inconvenience. So there's a few changes of the LinkedIn, and we are waiting to get the approval from the LinkedIn. Once we will able to get it, then we are done. Also, please just documents. Yes, I will share. What is the fastest ways to extract data, sir? Like anything between the, no, there's a no other fastest ways, and there's a no other ब्रह्मास्त्र. दुनिया में कोई ब्रह्मास्त्र नहीं है कि एक ही बार में वो मैं चलाऊं और दुनिया के सारे काम हो जाएं या मेरे लाइफ के सारे काम हो जाए. इफ़ यू आर इन टू द ए आई वर्ल्ड, जो आपको होना ही पड़ेगा, तो यू हैव टू बी हिट एंड ट्राई. That's where this thing's going to be happen. Can we connect the AI agents with the React since it's look bad in the terminal? Yes, you can do it. That's totally up to you. You can do it. Will LangChain provide all workforce of building the model, sir? Again, कोई भी ऐसा सॉल्यूशन अवेलेबल नहीं है दुनिया में या प्लानट पे जो आपके सारे काम कर देगा. You have to go hit and try and see how well that you can able to make out of that. Got it? Any projects? Yeah, so come to the project part. So if you folks go to the platform, okay, I will share the platform URL. Okay, so hidevs.xyz. Okay, everything is available there. Is there a revise the parameter needed to make the data extraction faster? No. Revise the parameter. Can you revise the parameter needed to make the, I didn't get your question. Similar to the neighbors in the embedding projector. Yes, kind of the formula. So cosine formula, neighbors formula. So this is a way that you can able to do it. Okay. Now I already shared the website. Sooner you will go to the project section, build your own AI clone. Okay, here click on the resources. Everything is available on this resources page. Click on the open collab. You will get the collab notebook. You can go to the resources. The resources is available here. You can just go and learn it. If you want to be the part of the talent pool, then you can be part of the talent pool as well. I think Chirag, are you there? He can able to explain much better way. Oh, Chirag cannot unmute. Yes. Yeah, Chirag, you can unmute yourself. Try.
Yes,
Yeah.
once any user does any project on the platform, if the projects
No,
get approved by
one
our
second,
Hey,
Ronak, please.
then
Chirag, 1 second. Please share your screen and explain the platform for the few minutes.
yes.
I think Dhoni, for the like, if you want to talk in detail, then you can ping me on the LinkedIn or the book a session, so that will be much better. Okay, thank you.
Sir, I can't share my screen. Like it
Okay,
says,
okay. Yes, now try it. Then
no.
refresh it and rejoin it. Means they're the same thing. My bad.
Still not able to share my screen.
Share their screen. Okay, no issue. I will share my screen. You continue. Okay, best way.
Okay.
Yeah. So I will start with the projects.
So guys, this is our project sections. Like you can select any project that interests you. Suppose I select any project, build your own AI clone. Uh, when you scroll down, there will be one start now button, and when you click that button, it will open some small form, and with that one click, by filling that form, you can apply for any project and start any project. By looking at the resources and how sir told, you can uh, start any project, and once you done any you have done any project, then if our GitHub agent approves your project, then you will get a fully report like where you are lacking, and where what are the areas you need to focus on, and plus second thing, you will be landed in our talent pool and your portfolio gets created. So that is how you can land in our talent pool, and that is how your portfolio will be created with your skills, projects, persona. Everything will be mentioned there. This is a public portfolio. You can share or add in your resume and put it in your LinkedIn. Anywhere you can put the URL. So this is the public portfolio, which is a account which takes the account of all the work you do in the HiDevs. So yeah, that's and the special part about this talent pool is companies and founders also visit this talent pool to hire peoples, to give internship opportunities, to give freelancing gigs, and also if you are in our talent pool, you can land job opportunities and all these things. Also, to check your industry ready skills, you can start with AI interview. Like we have industry reality check interview, and once you give this AI interview, it's a 30-minute AI assessment interview. It will take 30 to 45 minutes, and once your AI interview is completed, within 24 hours you will get your HiDevs score, like your real HiDevs score, and fully, like you can see this report, and you can also download this report PDF also. So like this, you will know where you are lacking in generative AI and what's your level in generative AI, and what are the areas you need to focus on, and how you need to focus on, and how you can start learning generative AI. Yeah. So if you are a complete beginner, I suggest like go with the interview, AI interview. Then you can go for projects, and if you want to learn through documents and everything step by step. You can also follow personalized roadmap. And as sir told, like in this project, how prompt engineering plays a crucial role in generative AI. So we have lead prompt feature to practice your prompt engineering skills. You can open any category, open any questions you want to try at a particular time, and you can fill any solution. Like we have good example, bad example, and best part about this lead prompt is after your solution, it gives you feedback. So you can improve by learning and hit and trial through feedback. So that's how you can improve your prompt engineering skills. As you can also see, daily users are learning through lead prompt and getting ahead in lead prompt. This helps you increase your HiDevs score as well. And also, while creating projects and learning generative AI, you need to have some flows in your mind. So this AI flow builder helps you generate flows, and by selecting any category, it's like a gamification. Like this, you can create any flows, and if you don't know how to create, we will give you full complete solution after 3 or 4 trials. You can view the full solution as well in this AI flow builder. So that's how you can see the full solution. So you, if you are doing any project, you can visit this feature first, try to build solution on your own, and see how much percentage you are getting in this. And if you are a courses or a resources person, you can go through blogs, resources. Everything is available on the platform. Like all the past webinars are recorded here in the courses section, resources section. Yeah. And full like from beginner, from getting started with generative AI to getting the interview call, we will help you in everything to getting the job. Like resume optimizer feature also we have, mentorship section also we have, if you want to take a one-on-one call with Deepak sir. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you so much, Chirag. So now, a few announcement. So first, I know Sudha, I told you, yeah, that we are trying to connect with LinkedIn. If we will not able to get the reply today, then we are going to keep the LinkedIn as an optional. Then you can easily apply the project. Okay, so the same way, do our project. If we face any issues, are there any guided videos? Yes, everything is available, and you can, I think we forget to tell you about the dev. Yes, Chirag, I think you can give the best example.
Yeah. So Dev is a AI mentor. Like it's our founder's clone only, and it is trained in on like 10,000 plus queries, and it has answered lot of and helped lot of generative AI learners like you guys. And if you feel stuck anywhere in the project or in the generative AI, if you want to learn something, you can use Dev for that. It's like a human who can help you at every step when you do projects, when you feel stuck anywhere.
Yes,
Yes.
yeah, thank you. Okay, so now announcement. The person who will able to complete, okay, able to complete the project and submit it and post it on the LinkedIn, then we are going to give you the Perplexity Enterprise Pro plan. So you have to complete the project, post on the LinkedIn, give us the mail. Okay, I will share you the mail ID. Okay, 1 second. You can just send me HiDevs community at the rate, or okay, HiDevs community, I think. Yes, this is a perfect one that you can send me the mail. Okay, I will reach out my team and we will give you the access. But again, the condition is very straightforward. You have to complete the project, whatever that we learned today, and put it on the platform, submit it. Then our agent will review it and give you the platform report, project report, sorry. And then you have to share on the LinkedIn. Then send me the URL that you have been successfully posted, and we will give you the Enterprise Pro version as well as the Pro version of the platform as well, where you will able to get the much more amazing features that you can use on your daily life. This is one announcement. And the second announcement, who want this similar kind of the workshops, small workshop every week, so that can raise your hand or just share the expressions. So I will keep make sure that that is going to be happen. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, so sooner once we will complete. So, sir, what about the notes? Yes, yes, yes. You will get everything in the mail. Okay, don't about it. We will send you the mail recording everything in the next 24 hours. How to improve software skill like you and you tips for the again for this things. I think you keep on coming on the sessions, so that will be the helpful for you. Okay. Okay, so what about the notes? Yes, sir. In the code quest, only Python compilers we are looking for other compilers. Yes, yes, yes. So currently the Python compiler that we are working on. So most of the companies are looking for the Python compiler. So that's why we keep it there. I don't think for next few months that we are going to put it other one, and I will say go to the use and lead prompt, because the same way that the lead code that you are keep on doing, the same way that we build the lead prompt. Okay, and soon we will send you the feedback form. Okay, and you can share your feedback form. And one more thing, I am planning to do the same workshop for the longer run. Longer run means at least 3 months. You will learn not 3 months, I think 12 sessions or the 10 sessions. Dedicated 10 sessions. Okay. Dedicated 10 sessions either will complete into the 2 months or 2.5 months. So that's what that we are planning, and that's again, so if you want to be part of it, then you can also stay with us. And in that one, what I will give you the access, I will tell you. Okay, give me a bit. I have uh, one thing that give you the mm, clarity what we are going to give in this one. Okay, and if you want to part, anyone want to be part as a HiDevs campus ambassador program, so that information also we will share on the mail. So stay tuned yourself on the mail, we will send you everything. Okay, so now uh, one second, let me open it. This is a one of the good session filled with the full useful information. Thank you so much, Tejas. Thank you so much. I love your feedback that boosts my life to do the same thing always. Yeah, we will send you everything, okay, on the mail, so don't worry. Okay, yes, you have to complete everything on the platform itself. Okay, so this is what that I am thinking. This is the dates of the last cohort that we did in the last year. Okay, so now week one. So we are planning to do week one. So introduction to GenAI, different LLM model, sizes, prompt engineering, then project discussion. Each week we will do the one project. Okay, introduction to RAG, loading unstructured data handling, building knowledge base, chunking, indexing in a deeper way. Currently we just give the things very small and the high level, but we will do everything in the deep, every little thing. Okay, project discussion, again we will do the one more project here. Okay, advanced RAG techniques, memory chain routing, knowledge graph implementation, comparison, prompt, lang graph, nebula graph, a lot of things. Okay, then evaluation techniques and debugging. Okay, deployment optimization of RAG pipeline. Then again we will do the project discussion and doubt solving. Then we work on the building industry level solution and pipeline tracking and cost analysis. Security and monitoring in the production, LLM guidelines, guardrails, and the security. Okay, no need to be security. Yes, security and monitoring. Then project discussion, and one of the coolest part that last cohort students love, which is job assistant. So I will come 3 days for the job assistant, where we will talk about, okay, we will where talk about proper how to get a good job, how to apply for the job, resume, cover letter, LinkedIn profile, what the things that you have to put it into your soft skills, interview preparation, everything that you will got it here. So this is what that we are going to be planned to work on it. So if you want to be part of it, then you can very easily be the part of this program as well. So how many people want to be part of this? So I will able to get to know. So yeah, we will start sooner. Okay, so how many people want to be part of this one? So we will take your name first, because the seats are very limited. I don't want the people more than 50. That's I'm telling you very very frankly. I don't need the people more than 50 in a single shot. So that's why, if you want to be part of it, you have to be first come first serve. More than 50 not allowed, sorry. Because I want the quality. I don't want to be the other people who will come and just share their data and do the things. No, I will make sure that every person will able to do this one. So that's why. Okay, if you are interested, then that's one. Okay then, bye, take care. Sooner, all the things that you will get in your mail, how to connect to the upcoming email, so everything is available. We will share you the WhatsApp group link. So I will tell you, WhatsApp group link, recording session, docs which I wrote, okay, and upcoming events that you can use. And you can use the Luma. Okay, so that will help you. So I will send you the Luma if you don't have the Luma page. Or this is the Luma. Okay, this is my LinkedIn. You can go and just ping me. Yes, you can be the part of this. Soon we will send you the details. And don't forget the share on the LinkedIn. Tag me, take a screenshot. Okay, and after that I will like it and comment it, so my particular network will able to get to know about you as well. Okay, so the more the way that you interact, the more the way the chances that you get a good job and the luxury life. Okay then, bye, take care, have a nice day. Thank you so much to stay with me for the 2 hours. Bye, take